So we're going to talk about how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. And it's pretty simple. You take a fraction like 5/2, and what you have to do is make it into a little division problem. So you're going to say 5 divided by 2. So that's a pretty simple division problem. And I'm going to do this division the way that we do it at my school. And I'll do a couple problems at the end in the standard algorithm. So this way we say there's 2 2's in 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Do the subtraction. We get a remainder of 1. If you're doing a regular division problem, you just put a remainder 1 on the top in your answer. But in this case, that 1 is actually 1/2. We don't want to say 2 remainder 1 like a regular problem, because what we have left over is 1/2. We're starting with 5/2, and we took 2 whole out of it, and then there's 1/2 remaining. So we're going to use that denominator from the original mixed, or the original improper fraction, and we're going to put it in our mixed number. So the answer to this one's 2 1/2. So the next problem, do another example. We have 16/5. So that is 16 divided by 5. So we write down 5 into 16, and I'll do the division the same way. I'm thinking about, I can take 3 5s out of that 16. That's 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract it and get my 1. Again, we don't just want to put remainder 1, because that 1 that's left over is 1/5. It's 3 wholes and 1/5 left over. Now this next two, I'm going to do the division the standard algorithm way. And so I start with my 15/4, my improper fraction. 4 into 15. And then I'm going to say 4 goes into 15 3 times. And I'm going to put my 3 up on top. 3 times 4 is 12. Do my regular subtraction. And I'm going to get 15 minus 12 is 3. Again, we don't want to say just remainder 3. We want to take that 3, and there's 3/4 left over. 3 wholes and 3/4. 3 3/4. And last example I'm going to do is 17/7. So I'll make my little division problem, and I'll say 7 into 17. If I'm doing standard algorithm, I say 7 goes into 17 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Do my subtraction. 17 minus 14 is 3. That 3 is actually 3/7 that are left over. So I have a whole number 2 and 3/7. And that's it.